Welcome to Creekside Villas at Meadow Woods in Orlando. This villa is an end unit featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with no neighbors behind you. The entrance has been landscaped nicely. The kitchen includes a refrigerator, stove, disposal, dishwasher, microwave, washer, dryer, and pantry. Dishwasher was replaced 2018, refrigerator replaced 2017. The kitchen features a pass-through to the dining area. No carpet in the home. Flooring has been updated to tile. Home interior freshly painted. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet. Community pool is available for your enjoyment. Air conditioner replaced 2014. A new roof in 2019. All sizes are approximate. Call for your showing today.